Don't let your competitors steal your customers with faster quotes. SeekMake's quotation tool transforms your website into a 24/7 sales machine. Give your customers the power to get instant, accurate 3D printing quotes for any technology right on your site. Easy setup, happy customers, more orders. Create your pricing system in minutes with SeekMake's powerful quotation tool. Add your 3D printers, select the technologies you offer. Click Edit Equation. Open the powerful Pricing Builder. Set your options. Choose materials, infill, quality, and more. Let AI help. Our advanced system suggests a pricing model for you. Adjust the equation to fit your business perfectly. Finally, test and refine your pricing using the built-in tester by adding your profit margin and testing previous files. Customize the look and feel of the plugin to seamlessly match your brand style. Then, with just a few clicks, effortlessly add it to your website. It works with any platform, from WordPress and Shopify to custom-built sites. Update your settings anytime, anywhere, directly from your SeekMake dashboard. Now, sit back and watch the magic happen. Your website is now a 3D printing quote powerhouse, effortlessly converting visitors into paying customers.
SeekMake.com. Digital manufacturing for the future.